Hey there, welcome back to another Git tutorial. In this Git tutorial, we are going to talk about another Git feature which is very powerful and most of the time it's overlooked. And whenever we get into trouble, we think, okay, now we can't do much about it. From the Git perspective, we have to, do some workaround. But then Git already provides you a very beautiful feature using which you can, bring back something from the dead when it was part of the Git history. Okay, so this blog, which was written by one of my colleague, Keshava. Okay, so he shared me this, and I was amazed. Like, okay, this is pretty cool. Why didn't I know about this? So I decided to create a tutorial on this. So let's see what is it about. Okay, so what we are gonna do is we will create multiple commits. Okay, we are going to make some changes. We are going to commit the changes. Again, we will make some other change. We'll commit that change also. And then we'll make some more changes and we'll commit those changes. Finally, we'll have multiple commits. And what we are going to do is next, we are going to hard reset to a particular commit that will cause our other commits to be lost. Okay, so once we do that, okay, let's do that first. Okay, so I'm going to commit, make some changes. Let me make changes. Random changes. Okay, save it and commit. Change one, and let me make another change. Change two. Save it and commit it. And now I will make another change and I'll commit this too. Okay. Now we'll check. We have three commits. So now we have these three commits. What we are going to do is we are going to simply hard reset our commit to this. Okay. So git reset hard, and we are going to hard reset to that commit. Okay, so you can see we only have the first change. Okay, and if you check the log, you can see our head is here and we only have the first commit. The rest of the two commits are gone now. Okay, what we can do now, since we haven't even pushed that changes on the GitHub, or it didn't go anywhere from our local uh, repo, right? So what we can do to bring that change back? Okay, so there, this Git feature comes to rescue, and it is called git reflog. Okay, so now if you do this git reflog, here you can see all those commits are still there, right? So now if I want to bring back, suppose, changes till this commit, change 2, what I can do here is now I can hard reset to this pointer, right? So I can do git reset hard, and like this, and you can see the second commit is back. Now if you check the log again, you can see these two commits are back. Now if I want to bring back the other commit as well, what I can do, git reflog again, and here this is the change 3 commit, and we have this. Okay, what we can do again is we can git reset hard and provide this pointer, and now you can see that we have all the changes back. Right, now let's do another experiment. What we are going to do is we are going to squash all these three commits, okay, in a single commit, and then see if we can bring back all these three individual commits. For example, right now you can see we have these three commits. Right now I'm going to squash all three commits. Okay, let's do that. Git rebase -i, and then we can do head, and we can go back to the second commit. Okay, let's do one thing. Let's quit it and do 3. Okay. Now we have all these three changes, right? First, change 1 commit, change 2 commit, and change 3 commit. Let's change this to squash. This also squash. Okay, and let's save back. Okay, and here we want to keep it same. You can ignore this one. We are going to stay in terminal. Here I'm just simply saving and exiting. Okay, so now you can see we have all these changes, but as part of a single commit. Here you can see, right? 4 minutes ago, change 3, change 2, change 1. Let me quickly show you this log. So now you can see as part of change one only, we have all these changes. Okay, here it's showing still like in a git blame change one, change two, change two, but if I refresh it, uh, probably it will go away. Okay, so here you can see we have all the changes as part of this commit. What if I wanted some of this changes and to be manipulated, or somehow I just wanted to pick changes till here. I don't want to keep this change, and this change is too big and complicated, and it's spread across different files. It will be tedious task, right? So again, we can use the git reflog and go back to previous commit. Again, if you do check the git reflog here, you can see we still have all those commits here, and you can see here everything we did, it's all of the git changes are being tracked. So everything is here, nothing is lost. Okay, now again, if I want to go back to our these commits, I can still do this git reset again hard and go back to this point. And now if we'll check the git log, you can see we have all those commits back, right? Isn't it amazing? Okay, so that was about the git reflog, which allows you to deal with the commits which got lost